Welcome back. Now that you've got the files opened, the first thing to do is to go to Save As. Go to Save As, and we'll start with your most likely scenario. And so you go to the Save As feature, and you're going to save this as Part 3 hyphen your name most likely case rent, and then also save the other file Part 3 your name best case rent. And so once we have those saved, then I'm going to have you go to your files, and let me just open one up here. And so this is my most likely case, and you can see I've ended off here with my lovely net income at $380,163. And so the first thing we're going to do is add 3 more worksheets. So go down here, and we're going to call this one very appropriately 2014. Now we're going to add another worksheet, 2015. And now we're going to add another worksheet, 2016. Okay, and so we have our 3 new worksheets, 2014, 2015, and 2016. I got to get that out of there because I did that. Now, the next step, go back to 2013, and we're going to copy this whole worksheet over. So I'm just going to highlight the whole thing. I've highlighted the entire worksheet, and I'm going to hit copy, and then I'm going to put it over here to 2014. I'm in my A1 box, and I hit paste. And now you can see you've got a lot of fixing up to do, so let's just go up here to your column spacer right now in between B and C. You see the little squiggly thing when it gets to be the little arrow thing when it looks like that. I just click on that. Oops, double click on that arrow, and there it opens up the column. So now I go over to C and do the same thing, and D and E, and all the way over, so we get our columns situated properly. And now you see all the numbers showing up again. And then we need to do the same thing for our first column. All of our titles are cut off, so I go up here, double click on that, and now we've got a nice pretty column. The only issue is now we still have this saying 2013. We still have it showing our same net income. We'll deal with that in a minute. You need to change the formula for your customers to start pulling it over from 2013 as opposed to 2012. We'll make all the appropriate changes there, and then obviously we're going to have to change some of this where the people come in, and that's going to be part of the in the new computer, and the widget makers all have to be updated, but we'll get there. Let's now do the same thing for 2015 and 2016. So we're going to take our 2013, you see it's still highlighted with the blinking lines. That means that it's good to go, so we can paste this over. I'm now on 2015, so we can now just hit paste, and there it is. Again, same problem, it's labeled 2013. We got to tidy up the columns, and then we'll go over to 2016. We'll clean that up in a little bit. Now I'm on 2016. Up in the top corner, A1, and I hit paste once more. Voila. We have our 3 years done. I'm going to take a little break now, and so you guys can clean up these worksheets so that they say they have proper titling for each year, that everything's nice and pretty, and then I'll get back to you in a few minutes as you do your cleanup. Craig Wilson signing off.